a BOX. lexmarks567 sent me this for Malcolm Xmas. I do apologize in advance. This box inadvertently was opened by me because it is from Amazon and China shit and whatever. But let's go ahead and open it up. And inside we find texts from Mittens, a cat who has an unlimited data plan and isn't afraid to use it. It's a 2019 calendar. Here's the back of the box. And let's go ahead and open this now and take a peek. It's not quite January just yet, but will be very soon. We'll just look at, one or two extra pages, buy our shit. Oh, it tells you who the characters are. Mittens is a text-happy indoor tuxie who loves Judge Judy, liver treats, fancy drinking fountains, and creating unnecessary drama, etc., etc. Oh, Drunk Patty. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, so this is kind of the format, as you see. It says, "You're up early, Mittens. I never went to sleep. The dog kissed me at midnight. Why did that keep you awake? I'm waiting to see if I contracted a deadly contagion from the filthy hound. I'll never sleep again. That's awfully rash. Rash? Hashtag it's happening. My monocle has magic powers since you cleaned it after it fell in the litter box. What kind of powers? I see the future. I see you giving me extra treats tonight. Interesting. I'm thinking of calling it Poop Vision. Might want to rethink that one. Roger that. Hashtag still treats." And there's also little fun facts on the back of each of these. So that's pretty cool. But there's something else that he sent as well. A Gymungous box was also sent by Lexmarks. This went through JFK Airport and then was delivered by some odd courier I've never heard of. I forget what it was. This box is really, really, really heavy. And all I know is it's from Webstaurant Store. I can guess what this might be, but let's go ahead and open the box. I cut the sides already. Nice. Well, I need to put the camera down for a moment to get it out of the box. It's Tergent! Stains Run from 101 laundry detergent. 64 washes, mountain scent, 1 gallon. It has the gripper on the cap. And it's manufactured by James Austin Company. Made in the USA. It is phosphate free, but it is a detergent that I don't think I have. Awesome. I can actually smell it already. But let me go ahead and take the plastic and the gripper off and we'll see what it's about. Huh. Well, it's a damn good thing they use that, because in shipping there's tergent. So I'll have to wipe that down, and it looks like I might need 2 hands to open it. Yep. So, liquids. Let's go ahead and pour some in. Hopefully I can do that without spilling. If you ever do this, don't watch the camera. watch what you're doing, and hope the camera ends up where it needs to be. There it is. Certainly smells mountain fresh from here, so that's great. And I was actually running low on my daily use tergent, so I think this is going to be it. Awesome deal. What's really nice about there being 4 big gallon fucking bottles is this will last for some time, and that's a wonderful fucking thing. If I do happen to have this somewhere, because the problem is I've like lost track of what the fuck I even have anymore. You know, there's only so many hours of detergent day I can watch. If I do have this somewhere, then that'll just stay and I'll just use this, because this has taken up a lot of real estate in Laundry Central. But no problem, definitely can use it, so I'll put this in the archives and get right on it. Got a lot of washing to do. While stains may run from 101, don't run from lexmarks567. He's an awesome guy. If you follow me regularly, you'll know that he came out and installed the AC in the garage and fixed the garbage disposal, and we, you know, did all kinds of other shit and stuff like that. And he actually just got himself a shop, I guess not far from his house, and he can store stuff in there and fix stuff. So he has like vintage fans and record players and old, you know, like obsolete format audiovisual equipment, stuff like that. So he's going to have a plethora of videos. He just got the shop. He's just getting it set up. He's got a couple of videos on it. And, you know, he's going to be making all sorts of videos there where there's lots of room, lots of tools, lots of everything that you need for a shop. So make sure you go to lexmarks567 on the tube and subscribe. Thank you, lexmarks567, for the calendar as well as detergent. I love that kind. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.